Welcome to National Number Knockout.
I'm Elizabeth.
I'm Griff.
I'm Alec.
And I'm Seth, and we're here to teach you how to play National Number Knockout.
6, 4, 1. Knockout.
6 squared is 36, times 4 to the 0 times 1 is 36. 6 squared is 36, minus 1 is 35, times 4 to the 0 is 35. 6 squared is 36, minus 4 is 32, times 1 is 32. 4 squared is 16, plus 6 is 22, plus 1 is 23. 4 squared is 30, scratch. 4 squared is 16, plus 6 is 22, times 1 is 22. 4 squared is 16, minus 6 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 6 squared is 36, minus 4 is 32, plus 1 is 33. 4 to the 5 halves is 32, plus 6 to the 0, plus 1 is 34. 4 to the 5 halves is 32, minus 1 is 31, times 6 to the 0 is 31. 4 plus 1 is 5, times 6 is 30. 4 plus 1 is 5, 6 minus 5 is 1. 10.
Are there any challenges?
No.
1, 1, 3. We're going to roll again since we have 2 ones. 5, 2, 3. Knockout.
2 to the 5th plus 5 minus 3 to the 0 is 36. 2 to the 5th is 32, plus 5 is 37, minus 3 is 34. 5 squared is 30, minus 2 is 28, plus 3 is 31. 5 squared is, scratch. 2 to the 5th minus 3 to the 0, minus 2 is 29. 5 times 2 is 10, times 3 is 30. 5 minus 2 is 3, times 3 is 9. 5 plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. 5 times 3 minus 2 is 13. 5 times 3 times 2 to the 0 is 15. 5 times 3 is 15, times 2 is, got 30. 3 plus 2 is 5, times 5 is 25. 5 squared minus 2.
Are there any challenges?
Yes, 31 and 13.
At this point, the judge would listen to the recording and see if 13 and 31 were actually wrong.
Seth got 249 points. Elizabeth challenged him on 2 of them, the numbers 31 and 13. 31 he got incorrect, and so from the total 249, we will subtract 31 first, and then also subtract 31 again as a penalty. On the second number, 13, Elizabeth challenged him, but she challenged incorrectly, and he actually got it right. So, as a penalty toward Elizabeth, her next game, she gets 13 subtracted.
Now Elizabeth is going to do some contrived equations to show how to finish a round.
3 plus 2 is 5, times 5 is 25. 3 minus 2 is 1, times 5 is 10.
Complete your equation.
6.
Here's what happened. Elizabeth was at the end of her equation and said her final equals and used all 3 numbers when the timer went off. She was now able to finish her equation. We're going to try to play as fast as we can. We know your children can't probably play this fast, but they are allowed to.
5, 2, 1. Knockout.
2 to the 5th is 32, plus 5 is 37, minus 1 is 36. 2 to the 5th is 32, plus 5 to the 0, plus 1 is 34. 2 to the 5th is 32, plus 5 to the 0 is 33, times 1 is 33. 2 to the 5th is 32, times 5 to the 0, times 1 is 32. 2 to the 5th is 32, minus 5 to the 0, times 1 is 31. 2 to the 5th is 32, minus 5 is 27, plus 1 is 28. 2 to the 5th is 32, minus 5 is 27, times 1 is 27. 2 to the 5th is 32, minus 5 is 27, minus 1 is 26. 5 squared is 25, times 1 times 2 to the 0 is 25. 5 squared is 25, plus 2 squared is 29, times 1 is 29. 5 squared is 25, minus 1 is 24, times 2 to the 0 is 24. 5 squared is 25, minus 2 is 23, times 1 is 23. 5 squared is 25, minus 2, minus 3 is 22. 2 squared is 4, 4 times 5 is 20, times 1 is 20. 2 squared is 4, times 5 is 20. So I got 390 points, and we're going to see if Seth can beat me.
3, 3, 5. Knockout.
3 cubed is 27 plus 3 plus 5 is 35. 3 cubed is 27 plus 3 plus 5 to the 0 is 31. 3 cubed is 27 plus 3 is 30 times 5 to the 0 is 30. 3 cubed is 27 plus 3 to the 0 plus 5 to the 0 is 29. 3 cubed plus 3 to the 0 times 5 to the 0 is 28. 3 cubed times 3 to the 0 times 5 to the 0 is 27. 3 cubed minus 3 to the 0 minus 5 to the 0 is 25. 3 cubed minus 5 to the 0 times 3 to the 0 is 26. 3 cubed minus 3 times 5 to the 0 is 25. Scratch. 3 cubed minus 3 times 5 to the 0 is 24. 3 cubed minus 3 minus 5 to the 0 is 23. 3 cubed minus 5 times 3 to the 0 is 22. 3 cubed minus 5 minus 3 to the 0 is 31. Is 21. Scratch. 3 cubed minus 5 minus 3 to the 0 is 21. 3 cubed plus 5 times 3 to the 0 is 32. 3 cubed plus 5 plus 3 to the 0 is 33. 3 cubed plus 5 scratched.
Time.
Darn. We added up our scores and I got 387. Lost to Elizabeth. It was a good game, but she beat me.
Second.
I went to lose to girls.